Today I'm going to show you how I created this cacti design using water decals from Born Pretty store. You can get a 10% discount off full price items at Born Pretty store using my discount code MNDW10. I'm starting with 2 coats of Minty from Mrs. Cross's nail shop. I bought this in her Etsy shop. This is a light green with tiny gold flakies in it. Here's a swatch of the polish on my nails. It's really beautiful and it shines in the sunlight. Now I'm going to sponge on some Barry M Gold Digger, and I'm applying this to the tips of my index and ring fingers to represent sand. Here's what it looks like with 2 coats. I'm submerging one of the decals in water for 20 or so seconds. Then it will slide off the backing card and can be applied to the nail. I've applied 2 each to my index and ring finger so that it looks like they're standing in the desert sand. On my middle finger, I'm applying the cacti decals all over my nail. I find this easier to start with a big one in the middle and then place the other cacti decals all around it. I'm trying to use different cacti so there's not 2 of the same next to each other. I find it easier to place them down with tweezers. Now I'm top coating with Seche Vite quick drying top coat to seal in my design. I forgot to film myself painting a little Barry M bronze bay where the cacti meet the sand for a more realistic look. This polish is a little darker than the Gold Digger, you can just see it on my nails. Here's the finished design. I really hope you like it. Don't forget to give this a like if you enjoyed my tutorial and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more nail art tutorials.